Do you have charge-offs, collections, late payments, medical bills, anything negative on your credit report? Well, in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can ditch your credit repair companies and start getting results like this, and like this. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you step by step on how you can go from a 500 credit score to a 800 credit score in no time. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience into your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger today's video, guys. I'm going to teach you how you can get the perfect credit score. But before we get into the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows you to push this content to a wider audience and allows us to leave the lights on, guys. Please like, subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to creditapprove.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to creditapprove.com, check out the software and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video, guys. This video is going to be juicy because it's going to give you a roadmap to success when it comes to credit. Now, I know that a lot of people have given you videos and giving you these get rich quick schemes that doesn't really have any weight or value when it comes to you getting results. In today's video, this is not going to be one of them. I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial that thousands of my students have actually used to be successful. Actually, I'm going to show you and we're going to read over a few of the reviews that my past students have used. So this is Jennifer, and Jennifer is saying that I usually never post comments, but I thought I'll share my experience. I've been using your program for 6 months and I finally removed my last collection. It wasn't 14 days for everything. I think in the first 2 weeks, the CFPB only removed 4 items. I kept following the program little by little. My collections were removed. Your team can be a little faster in answering questions. Sorry about that, Jennifer. But besides that, congratulations, young man, on building a program that helps a lot of people. Also, this is Christina. Yes, I started on 7/15, resolved all my expectations on 7/21. All disputed items were deleted. Thank you. This is Danielle. Hey coach, my son used your software and removed 2 charge-off in a repo, and I'm happy for him. Thanks again. And this is Sherelle. Sherelle said, I love your software. It saved me literally. So guys, as you can see, multiple people have actually used this system and it works perfectly to this day. So guys, we're going to go over step by step and I'm going to map out everything that you need to do to be successful. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is freeze the people that's telling on you. Now, you probably didn't even know people was telling you, like you, Coach Q, what are you talking about? Who's telling on me? The secondary bureaus, LexisNexis, Innovis, SageStream, these are the companies that is going to tell all of your business to TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian really don't house a lot of data, but they do get the data from the secondary bureaus that have everything. If you look up your LexisNexis credit report, everything is going to be on there. It's not just going to be credit. It's going to be your criminal history. It's going to be your financial history, bank history, school records. Everything is on your LexisNexis, and we have to stop that information and communication from being transmitted. So the first thing we are going to do is go to the LexisNexis website right here, and we're going to request a security freeze. All you have to do is go to Google and type in LexisNexis freeze, and it's going to pop straight up. We're going to click it right here, and then once we get here, it's going to give you a consumer portal, and you can request a security freeze right here, guys. This is going to be a huge step for your success, because once we stop the pipeline of communication with these bureaus, what's going to happen is that the bureaus are not going to be able to gather the information to verify if everything is correct. And that is going to be huge because we're going to set a trap for the credit bureaus before we even go into the realm of deletion. We're going to set the trap first, and then once the bait has been set, then we are going to have everything that we need to be successful to remove. So once we do a security freeze, now be a reminder, we do also want to freeze your LexisNexis, Innovis, and SageStream. Now, save streaming Innovis. I'm not going to go on the website, but you can do the same thing. Innovis, type in the Innovis into Google and put freeze, and it will prompt you into the same type of messaging. And they are very similar. LexisNexis is probably the biggest out of the three, but blocking all of the other two will be beneficial as well. So once we freeze the credit report, then we're going to go into the realm of disputing. Now, like I said, before we dispute anything to the credit bureaus, I want to target the creditors first. So the creditors can possibly remove it before we even get to the credit bureaus. That is the goal, but we're not going to really ask them to remove it. We're just going to request information pertaining to the account, and by law they have to, everything on your credit report has to be 100% accurate, 100% timely, and 100% verifiable. So we're going to verify everything that's on your credit report, and we're going to do it through the creditors, right? So first thing first, we're going to go to the My Credit-Approved system. This is the software that I created, guys. This software is the state-of-the-art software that basically the credit bureau, the credit repair companies are using. Credit repair companies use software, guys. They don't have a person writing up these letters. Everything is done by software. This software is just like the credit repair company software, but it is is user-friendly and is basically broken down in layman's terms, so you don't have to really be a credit repair expert to get the same results. So once you import everything on your credit report, everything is going to be already in the system. All of your accounts is going to show up here. Your inquiry is going to be blue, your negative accounts, collections, late payments, charge-offs is going to be green, and then the public records is going to be red. So once we get everything imported, we're going to scroll down, we're going to create the letter. Now once we get to this screen right here, we're not going to do the 4-step recommended option. We're going to do the round 2 and have access to the hundreds if not thousands of letters that we have inside of this portal. So once you get here, you're going to go to the search option and you're going to type in YouTube setup letter. So the YouTube setup letter is a letter that I created, me and my team created, that basically set the trap for you. And you're going to need to set the trap in order to be successful. I know a lot of people say you don't want to use letters, but this is going to be a special letter, especially because it's going to give you an option to make the letter custom. It's not going to be just a traditional template where everyone is using the same thing. I'm going to show you how you're going to make this letter custom just for you. So find the item that you want to dispute. In this case, let's do Midland Credit Management. We're going to scroll down, we're going to click next, and the letter and the AI software is going to basically prompt and create the letters for you. As you can see, the name, the address, the social, the date of birth, everything is already prompted and is ready to be sent off to the creditor. Now this is going to go to the creditor. This is not going to Equifax and Experience. So you're going to put the creditor information right here and you're going to send this to the creditor. Now once you send this to the creditor, it's going to ask them everything pertaining to that's needed. So we're basically asking them to send a verification of all the documents that's pertaining to that specific account. So it said, I received a copy of my credit report with the intention of trying to improve my credit and take care of my responsibilities, and notice a few accounts that I wanted a little more explanation on. I'm saying that they are reporting right. I'm not saying they are reporting right or wrong. You're not saying that. I'm just saying that I'm not 100% sure if they are mine. I also read something called the Fair Credit Reporting Act, where it said by law I had the right to challenge anything that I'm not sure is accurate. Some of the people reporting things on me I have never heard of, which made me write to you all. So basically, this is asking for the creditor to send the information that's pertaining to this specific account. You're not saying that the account is yours. You're not saying that it's yours or not yours, but you are asking for them to send it. Now, once they send it, the next step is for you to send it off certified mail. Now, you're going to send this off certified mail, and once you get the certified mail, you're going to get a confirmation receipt. Always make sure that they are signing off on the mail. If they don't sign off on it, then it's going to come back to you, but you want to make sure you get the sign off signature, because that is going to be the confirmation that you need to go to the CFPB, the credit bureaus, and the BBB. Yes, I said the BBB. Yes, the Better Business Bureau is one of the most proficient ways to also get things removed, and we're going to use them to our benefit as well. I'm going to show you that in a bit, but before we actually go into the other realm, if you want to see a round 2 method, leave it in the comment section, type in round 2, and I will show you guys how to do this for month 2, 3, and 4 in the next video. This is just for for month 1. Usually once you send off the trap letter to the creditors, that usually take 30 days. And if they do not send it back within that time frame, then you want to go to the CFPB, the BBB, and the FTC if you want to do that. So let's head over there now. So the first thing you want to do is go to the CFPB, the consumerfinance.gov website, and submit a complaint. Now I'm not going to give you guys context for the complaint because last time I did that, it went viral and it just stopped working. And the CFPB really stopped taking on disputes and taking them seriously with the same verbiage. So, but I am going to give you guys a critique on what to say. So once you go up to the submit a complaint, you're going to scroll down and then you're going to start the complaint right here. Now, once you log in or create an account and get to the submit complaint process, once it's going to give you a text box. Now, it's going to also give you some options to also select different options like, is this what are you complaining about? Type, I think it's like credit card. Hold on, let me go in for a second. Give me 1 second. All right, so we're back rocking and rolling. So you're going to go to credit reporting right here. This is going to be the first thing that that's going to say, what is you complaining about? Credit reporting. And then you're going to say credit reporting right here. Scroll down. And then it's going to say improper use of your report, right? Which best describes your problem. Reporting company use your credit report, credit inquiries, receive unsolicited financial product report, provided an employee without incorrect information in credit report, account information, old information, personal information. It is improper use, improperly. Sorry guys. And then you're going to go here. Have you already tried to fix this problem with this company? Yes. Did you request information from the company? Yes. What information did you request? Verification of debt. Did the company provide this information? No. See, they are already asking you if the company did what they were supposed to or not, because this is going to determine how they're going to proceed with the case. Now, the CFPB have the power to remove it from their end alone. So answering and doing the trap already and basically giving them everything they already need, bread and butter. So we're going to get to this page right here. And once you get right here, you're going to basically give them everything pertaining. You're going to type in that I sent this certified mail. I haven't got a response. I asked them to verify the debt that's on my credit report and I haven't got a response. You're going to put your social. I mean, you're not going to put any social or any personal information on here, but you will want to put that account number. You want to put that account name, and then you want to scroll down and attach all of the files. So you want to attach the certified mail. You want to attach the confirmation receipt. You want to attach the trap letter, the letter that you sent off, and you're going to attach whether they sent it or not. So everything that you're going to build up pertaining to the case up to this point, you're going to send it and attach it here, and then you're going to go to next and actually file the dispute there, and everything should be good. Now the CFPB they have been, lackadaisical in over the last couple of months, but this still is one of the most powerful methods on actually removing, because like I said, they can remove it from their end. They don't have to get permission or wait till the credit bureaus do it. They can do it from their end. Once you go to the CFPB and file that complaint, you're going to go to the Better Business Bureau and you're going to type in the company. I'm going to do portfolio recovery, just to give you guys an example. Type in here, and then you're going to look for the headquarters. The headquarters is going to be the main location that you're going to be looking for when it comes to these type of accounts. You're going to type go to the main headquarters and you're going to go here. So once you get here, you're going to scroll down until you get to a point of file a complaint. Now once you get here, you're going to be able to log in. You're going to be able to answer these questions and then file a complaint. Now once you file a complaint, what you're going to do is you want to copy all the verbiage that you put into this box over to the Better Business Bureau box, and all the verbiage, everything that you uploaded to the CFPB, you also going to upload to the Better Business Bureau. And guys, this is going to bring fire pertaining to these accounts. Now, what I honestly think and gathered from doing this method for so long is that not even, as you probably noticed, we didn't even communicate with the credit bureaus. We went straight to the creditors, straight to the CFPB, and straight to the BBB, because we are targeting the creditors. We're not targeting the credit bureaus. So by the time the credit bureaus even give a whiff of this, they haven't even really had a input or opinion to actually move on it or not. So they really get blitzed, and they get blitzed so fast that they just have to remove it, because you have already set the trap. You have already given them the time frame to do everything that's necessary, and they haven't done it. the time frame is up, and so now the credit bureau, the CFPB, and the BBB just basically is forced to remove it, because by law, like I said, everything has to be 100% accurate, 100% timely, and 100% verifiable. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you do want to know how to do this for round 2. Say for instance you have 10 items, 7 items come and get off, or with this round, and then 3 items stay on. If you want to know how to get the 3 items to remove, comment in the comment sections round 2. That way I'm going to make another video that's going to teach you how to do it for round 2, 3, and 4. Everything is going to be wiped out. I mean, you might still have a few items left over after you do this method, or you might remove everything. I've seen it go both ways. Guys, let me know in the comment section how you feel about this method. Is this fire or is this not? Let me know. And this is clear cut, guys. I've seen this method work over 1,000 times minimum, and I have more than enough confidence knowing that you guys will be successful too. So guys, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you need anything, if you have any questions, concerns, if you want to jump on a call with me and my team, you can do it with mycreditapprove.com. Set up a consultation and I will be there. Guys, until next time, take care of your credit and take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out. Peace.